The story of human evolution is a complex and fascinating narrative that spans millions of years. It traces the gradual development and transformation of our species, Homo sapiens, from our earliest ancestors to the modern humans we are today. While the exact details and chronology of human evolution are subject to ongoing research and debate, the following is a general overview of the key stages and milestones in our evolutionary journey. Primate origins, 60–80 million years ago. The roots of human evolution can be traced back to the primate lineage, which includes monkeys, apes, and ultimately, humans. Primates first appeared around 60–80 million years ago. Over time, different primate species evolved, adapting to various ecological niches and developing characteristics that laid the groundwork for future human traits. Hominin divergence, 7–5 million years ago. Around 7–5 million years ago, the evolutionary line that led to modern humans began to diverge from the common ancestor shared with chimpanzees. This group of hominins, members of the human lineage, began to differentiate anatomically and behaviorally from other primates. Australopithecus, 4–2 million years ago. The Australopithecus genus represents a critical phase in human evolution. These early hominins walked on two legs, bipedalism, and displayed a mix of ape-like and human-like features. The most famous Australopithecus is Lucy, Australopithecus afarensis, discovered in Ethiopia. Bipedalism allowed these hominins to free their hands for tool use and other activities. Homo genus emergence, 2.42–3 million years ago. The Homo genus, which includes our own species, Homo sapiens, emerged during this period. The exact timing and defining characteristics of early Homo species are subjects of ongoing research. The transition from Australopithecus to Homo is marked by increased brain size and changes in tool-making techniques. Homo habilis, 2.41–4 million years ago. Homo habilis, one of the earliest members of the Homo genus, is known for its association with the old Awan stone tool industry. These hominins exhibited a larger brain size and more advanced tool-making abilities, reflecting increased cognitive capabilities. Homo erectus, 1.9–140,000 years ago. Homo erectus was a widespread species that migrated out of Africa and into Eurasia. This species is notable for its larger brain, reduced facial projection, and sophisticated tool-making traditions. Controlled use of fire and more advanced hunting and gathering strategies are associated with Homo erectus. Archaic Homo sapiens, 500,000–200,000 years ago. During this period, hominin populations in Africa continued to evolve, giving rise to different lineages of archaic Homo sapiens. These hominins, sometimes referred to as archaic humans, exhibited a mix of primitive and modern traits. Anatomically modern Homo sapiens, 200,000 years ago present. The earliest anatomically modern Homo sapiens appeared in Africa around 200,000 years ago. These early humans had a similar physical appearance to modern humans and were characterized by more sophisticated tool technologies, art, symbolism, and eventually, language. Out of Africa migration, 70,000–50,000 years ago. Genetic and fossil evidence suggest that a major migration event occurred, leading a group of Homo sapiens to leave Africa and colonize other parts of the world. This migration marked a significant expansion of human populations and eventually led to the peopling of every continent. Neanderthals and Denisovans, 200,000–30,000 years ago. Neanderthals and Denisovans were closely related hominin species that lived in Eurasia during the same period as early Homo sapiens. Interbreeding between these groups and Homo sapiens is evident in modern human DNA, indicating some level of genetic exchange. Behavioral modernity, 50,000–40,000 years ago. During this period, there is evidence of a cognitive and cultural revolution among Homo sapiens. This is characterized by more sophisticated tools, art, symbolic expression, burial practices, and the development of complex social structures. Agricultural revolution, around 10,000 years ago. The shift from hunting and gathering to agriculture marked a significant turning point in human history. The development of agriculture allowed for sedentary living, the rise of complex societies, and the eventual development of civilizations. Industrial and technological revolutions, 18th–19th centuries, These revolutions brought about unprecedented advancements in technology, manufacturing, and society. The Industrial Revolution marked a transition from agrarian economies to industrialized urban centers, shaping the modern world. Contemporary era, 20th century present. The 20th and 21st centuries have witnessed remarkable progress in science, technology, medicine, and communication, leading to further changes in human society and the environment. Throughout human evolution, various factors played significant roles in shaping our species, including environmental changes, tool use, social interactions, and genetic adaptations. It's important to note that the story of human evolution is still being refined as new discoveries are made and our understanding of the past deepens.